Viofo dashcam installation speedrun in the Polestar 2. We start off at the passenger side under the glove box. We peel back the fabric and reveal the fuse box. The fuse box is a bit hard to access, but at the top there's a lid. You pull the lid towards you to open it up. Once the lid is removed, we have access to the fuse box. The hardwire kit must be installed to a ground plug. In order to get to that, we need to remove a side panel, pull back the flooring even more. This will uncover a hard foam panel, which you can pull out easily as well. Don't mind the clips, those will simply rattle. To find the right fuses, we use the Polestar 2 manual. We need a fuse that's constantly on and one that will switch off when the car is off. We use 31 for constant power and 84 to switch off. We verified this using a multimeter, but note that it will take a little while before the switch fuse will turn actually off after turning off the car. Then it's time to connect the hardwire kit. We connect the ground cable to the ground bolt next to the fuse box. Then we swap out the desired fuses. We take the fuse we took out and put it onto the connection cable, then put the connection cable in the desired location. And we do the same for the switching fuse. Then it's time to connect the hardwire kit to the dashcam to verify if the setup works. The dashcam should now automatically turn on when you enter the car. We mount the dashcam on the right side of the rear view mirror and we route the power cable underneath the headliner off to the right side. If you have an interior camera too, we mount it to the left side of the rear view mirror and we tuck away the cable underneath the headliner. Then we also connect the rear camera and start routing all the cables towards the back. The main thick power cable should be routed down towards the fuse box. But before we tidy up the passenger side, we first route the rear camera cable a little bit towards the back. Then it's time to put the foam block back in. Route the thick power cable down towards the fuse box. Now we can start tidying things up by pushing back the flooring, pushing in the side panel and making sure it clips in place again. Once that's done, it should look like you've never been there. Last, we mount the rear camera. We put it on the right side so we don't see it in our rear view mirror. Tidy things up by running the cable through the rubber tube towards the trunk. And with that, the installation is complete. We close off with some footage of all the cameras. The front camera shooting at 4K quality. The interior camera shooting at 2K quality. And finally, the rear camera also shooting at 2K quality. It's a tough job and it might take you a day, but in the end, it's very much worth it. Thank you for watching.